Hello everyone. If this makes to my YouTube channel, then this is my first video. I collect BTS and 80s albums and other stuff. Today we'll be unboxing Jimin Folio, which I just received. So let's get right into it. I ordered this more than about a month back. I had like 30 minutes to decide if I want to order it or not because the pre-orders were going pretty fast. So I checked out like 3 stores before this, and I found this one store to sell it a bit cheaper than some others. So I decided to get it from this. These are the freebies. I guess these are the freebies only. Oh, these are really pretty. I love these outfits. I don't think they had like actual official photo cards with these outfits. They should have. This seems to be a freebie too. It's really pretty. I love this crown thingy and these stones. The other outfit. This is the cover. Oh, okay. So we have this double cover sort of thing folded. So pretty. I think this sort of aims to bring out the various sides of Jimin, and every side is really pretty, portrayed really well. Whoa, okay. Wow, this tattoo looks pretty, even this one for that matter. We got a close up too. Okay, Jimin, calm down. I think Jimin has really pretty eyes. This aesthetic looks so good. Wow, okay, we got a black and white as well. This makes me want to buy other members' portfolio as well. But these are a bit expensive, so I guess I'll stop myself here. And now comes the other one. Loving the stickers. And they put liner on him as well. Eyeliner. Okay, we have something here. We'll look at it in a way. I love this picture. The wings. And we have a little bit shadow over here. This one is really pretty too. I love this. I think this is what we have. Yeah, this one is the same. Sort of. Okay, Jimin, you are the king, you are the queen. We know. We got more tattoos. The crown keeps distracting me. Okay, we have this little photo card over here. I think this is the one that is like everyone gets, the basic photo card. Oh, might as well check this out too. These are the special aid for portfolio. Wow, okay, how does this And it should be named chaos because it's causing chaos. Oh, this is the special one. So I got this. I was expecting this one the least, honestly. I checked out the photo cards yesterday, the ones that are optional. And I really wanted this one, the crown one. This seems pretty too. Every photo card has to be pretty. It's Jimin. Wow, okay, now I have this one. I like this one. Doesn't matter what we get. Now we come to this one. So the suspenders look really good on him. Jimin. Jimin. Wow, okay. Look at this pretty man. Okay, we have more things. Let's check these out first. I'm not sure what this is. This looks like, I don't know. Can we cut these out? Oh, we can. I don't think I will. Or maybe I can keep this in my purse and claim this to be my husband if anyone asks. Although I'm sure everyone knows who he is. Then we have this postcard sort of thingy. Wow. Oh, it's double-sided. We have cutie Jimin over here, sexy Jimin over here. And this is the poster. We'll see this in a while. Okay, I'll skip through this fast then. Okay, so they made 3 optional photo cards out of all the 3 sides. I got this one, which I totally do not regret. Although I wanted the crown one, but this one's so pretty. Well, hello. Yes, Jimin, you did cause chaos. Wow. Hello. This is the last picture. I think this is the one that they released during the preview as well. And the credits, artist Jimin. And Noti 7 picture. Oh, is it like, oh, this is the preview for Taeyang's portfolio, I believe. This looks like V. This might be a, yeah, it looks like a preview for V's portfolio. That's how they gave spoilers, I guess. It's much more heavy and it has a lot more pictures than I expected it to be. I expected it to be like a really thin photo book. Yay! I love these. And these. Although I still don't know where I'll keep this. Is it a double-sided poster? No. This is what the back looks like. And this is what the front looks like. Wish I could paste this on my walls, but then it'll get dirty. They really did show a very pretty picture of him. That is it for now. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.